Hello, my name is Max. I'm the mechanical engineering tech lead here at ProGlove, and I usually design the plastic house for our products like MAI. And we strive to make this product as small and as lightweight and robust as possible. And today I'm in the test room and want to show you how our test engineering team actually tests if we did a good job on the robustness side. Since this is for rugged industrial use cases, we have a 2-meter drop test that simulates dropping the device on a hard industrial concrete floor from 2 meters multiple times in an automated way. Here's another test, for example, which is a 1-meter tumble test. We use that to simulate smaller impacts and usage of the device every day in the field. For this test specifically, we have a betting game before every major release. Everyone is allowed to submit his guess on how many hundreds of tumbles the devices survive on average. And yeah, funny enough, it's usually not the mechanical engineers that get closest. So what's your guess? Put it in the comments, and if you have any questions, let us know. Thanks for watching.